My experience with Be10x, I think I'm one of the very good thing which I did is once I was scrolling Facebook and I got I seen this ad for Be10x, and immediately there was a hunch, and I enrolled for this course of Be10x. And believe you me, I think this was one of the very good decision which I made, and I am really happy. I'm really happy after joining this course. This helped me increasing my productivity. I mean, be it analyzing data in Excel, which we do a lot in our office, being in marketing and field, be it making presentations. So that gives a lot of inputs, and my experience with Be10x has been exceptionally good.
Working professionals, if you haven't upskilled yourself in 2023, then this is the last chance for you in order to hike your salary, in order to become irreplaceable in the job market, and in order to gain most in-demand skill. Yes, I'm talking about the skill of ChatGPT and AI tools.
Yeah, hi, I am Kapil Kulkarni. I am a marketing professional with around 23 years of experience to be precise, and I'm in the field of automobile retail. So my job involves channel management, channel partners, profitability, training, their revenue, their P&L, and channel expansion. I'm also equally responsible for customer experience, which our customers have in our channel partners workshops. So this is brief about me. I am in a place called Jawra in Western Madhya Pradesh. I did my engineering from Indore and then MBA from SV Jan Mumbai. So I first heard about artificial intelligence around 6 months, 8 months before, when everyone was talking about ChatGPT, and that was quite a ubiquitous discussion across our office with our friends. And to be very honest, initially I was pretty scared about all these things, and I mean, we heard that many people are losing their jobs, so I was also a bit scared about it. But I said that this is something new which is coming in market, which is coming in technology space. So why not give it a try, understand what it is. But very honestly, I was not very keen, and I did not have any avenue to learn about AI per se. So it was just all what media hype, and we understood from our friends that something called ChatGPT is coming 6 to 8 months before. That was the time I first heard about what you call artificial intelligence. Some of my friends in my speech and college group were also talking about it, but to be very honest, I was not very keen about knowing further details about it. So yeah, my experience with Be10x, I think I'm one of the very good thing which I did is once I was scrolling Facebook and I got I seen this ad for Be10x, and immediately there was a hunch, and I enrolled for this course of Be10x. And believe you me, I think this was one of the very good decision which I made. I think to be very honest, I am a guy I'm basically mechanical engineer, so I am not very keen on learning new technologies, and always I had a fear factor for new technology. But the very first induction class which was conducted by both Aditya Goenka and Kachave, I think I must appreciate that they have created a very good interest in this subject, and the way they have presented the topic, the way they've given a confidence to a person like me who is on the other side of 40s, where learning usually takes a backseat. But they created an interest, and the way they have presented the subject and their examples, the mind-blowing techniques which they spoke about the very first webinar, and the way Aditya Kachave persuaded us to join this course, and I am really happy. I'm really happy after joining this course. This helped me increasing my productivity. I mean, be it analyzing data in Excel, which we do a lot in our office, being in marketing and field, be it making presentations. So that gives a lot of inputs. Be it learning new concepts in ChatGPT. So I've been it's a big ocean where you can learn each and everything. And and once you are once you start learning on AI, and it's a very vast field, and my experience with Be10x has been exceptionally good. I remember in my career, in class 10th 11th, when I was afraid of getting fear of subject of mathematics, so one of my teacher cleared that fear, and in engineering I was quite scared with SOM and TOM. So good teachers clear the doubt and create an interest in the subject, and I must say that both of them are brilliant chaps. I mean, Aditya Kachave and Aditya Goenka are really brilliant, and I must salute to their dedication. They have gone into details at what exactly a working professional require in terms of AI. And there are many various courses available in market, but the passion, the energy which this created by Aditya, both Aditya, is really awesome. And one of the courses where Aditya spoke about his personal story, his Kachave spoke about his personal story, and it was like very heart to heart, and that really helped me to come out and try something new in AI. So it's been a very good experience with Be10x, and I'm really thankful for both of them to having me enrolled in this course and helping me out. So any advice? I think I would say that you may be of any age, you may be in any profile, you may be doing anything, but keeping abreast with technology is something very important, and AI is here and now. It's going to disrupt the market, so it's important that you learn. You do not be master of AI, but you should learn that how you can use this AI tools in your day-to-day work. So I'm not in technology field. I'm in marketing and after sales and channel development, but I find it very useful, the tips, the inputs which Be10x has given me, and it has created an interest in the subject, and this is helping me out. And I find this: you are a student, you are a working professional, you are a businessman, a small scale businessman, you're wanting to grow big. Anybody, and anybody can enroll for this course, and it is very good course. And the most important thing is, once again, I'm telling that there are many courses available, maybe on Udemy or so on and so forth. Many sites are available, but what is very good about Aditya Kachave and Aditya Goenka is they create an interest in the subject, and that's the most important thing. In this age, you can learn anything, but you must have interest, and this interest was created by both of them. And just a tribute to them, I would like to say that they are real gurus. Both of them are quite younger to me, but I must say that they are real gurus. And एक दोहा है हिंदी में जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं कि गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए, गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपकी गोविंद दियो बताए. तो thanks to Aditya Goenka and Kachave, that they brought this important field in front of me, and I'm really thankful. It's really a game changer for me, and I'm into technology, learning technology, and it's a vast ocean that I'm just a drop I'm learning, but that interest has been created by both of them. And the vision of Kachave, what he spoke about, that he wants to see that India 5 trillion economy, and everything he talks about 10x 100x. So it's fun, it's learning, it's gaining your knowledge. So you learn something, you live, and you enjoy the learning. So my advice to everybody and anybody, that whatever profession, whatever age you are there, learn this thing, AI, and Be10x is the place you should be. So thank you very much. Thanks a lot.